So we're just about to hit the beach. We've got a set of the new Oricom Auto Tyre Deflators. Great idea, these things. Instead of hitting the sand and then airing down, you can air down on the way in. Really good for in the paddocks and fires and stuff that we've been going to of late as well. If you're hitting a paddock at a fire, bushfire, you know, you're running highway pressures, 45 and upwards, you hit the paddocks, they're all corrugated to shit. Great idea, just quickly hop out, screw these bad boys in, and away you go. They're really easy adjustable, so they've got a scale here on the inside. I've wound this up to 25 PSI to start off with. It's also in bar if you need it, if you don't read old PSI. But screw that down, take off your auto, or your TPMs, sorry, monitors for your tyres, screw these bad boys in and away you go. Screw them in like that, let him go. Nice and easy, you can do the rest of the tyres. While that deflates on the last little bit of gravel track on the way into the beach, just shove there, so the last little bit of gravel track, that'll deflate on the way in, and then we're good to hit the sand. Good on you.